Guys, we all love Starbucks, but you cannot throw it into the nature. Good afternoon, guys. We are in Abu Dhabi. Say hi, Mom. Happy birthday. Thank you. It's my mom's birthday, and we decided to go to this place called Mangroves. Oh my god, Mangroves. It's like a place to go kayaking, so we got all dressed up, ready to go kayaking, and there's even, I think, a place to swim. I'll show you everything as we experience. We don't really know either what it looks like, but we'll see. We have a reservation at 1:45, which it is right now. So we made it in time. And we are just getting ready now. And yeah, so this is the hotel. And we just had to show the Al Hosn app, which shows that we're green.
Lanika Farah. Oh.
Wow, it's a nice hotel. Yay! My mom is 48th day, but she looks amazing, right?
48 is just a number.
Yeah.
But I feel good. Yeah, I feel it's my birthday.
We're excited. We're doing something new.
Yeah, that's nice.
Do you know which one to go to? So this is the one we booked. We booked 3 kayaks, one single, one double.
Yeah, Felicia. Hey, Felicia.
Felicia. So cute. Okay, we're ready to board. It's so quiet here. You excited?
How do you feel, guys? Wait.
Bye. Alright, here we go. Okay, Matt, say it one more time where we have to go so we know.
We're going right, straight, then turn left, then turn right under the bridge.
Raf?
Then we go into the island.
Let's start. So we're following the path. First we do have to pass by the highway they're building. But this is already so pretty. And I'm letting Mom do all the work while I vlog. Yeah, Irene and Rafi have their own one. And basically we are paddling to an island where we can stay and swim. So we're wearing our swimsuits. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's very pretty, the nature. How are you?
Tired and hungry.
I really am making her do all the work. I'm gonna help now. The sun is pretty hot, like I can feel it burning, and I just have my bikini actually underneath and Rafi's shorts, swim shorts. Rafi and Irene are all the way in the back, if you can see them. Yeah. Guys, look at the bird. I don't know if you can see. There's a bird like right there. Hey! Cool. We took a wrong turn, so now we have to go back and go back in. Thank God for Google Maps. We stopped at the swimming point. We just put our canoe here. Mom's going in even though the water is very cold. But yeah, it's pretty quick already from when you start the... I was gonna say drive. From when you start the journey, it's already quick that you reach the swimming point. So we still want to go a little bit further. Let's actually go into these things. But no, it's very nice. It's salt water. Hey Mom! There's some music in the background. She went swimming. I've got Irene's hat on, and yeah, we're actually just taking pictures because look at the lighting, guys. How can you not? And they all went swimming, but I don't know, it's a bit too cold. So I'm like the warm one, so everyone's hugging me because everyone's wet and cold. And Mom had prepared some nice fruit salads. Yeah, so if you go here, it's nice if you bring food with you on the kayak because then you can chill here. We laid out a blanket. As you can see them over there, they're picking up the blanket now. So yeah, so you can lay out the blanket, go for a swim, have a little picnic, and then make your way again. Because it fits, definitely in the double canoe it fits. Even in the single one, we have like a lunchbox. In one of their single ones, we put the lunchbox there. I like your hat.
Yay!
A lot.
Keep it.
Yeah, it's too small actually for my head. My head's hurting right now. We don't have much food. We should have brought more, honestly. These kids are gonna jump. Don't see me doing that.
Let's do it.
We are making our way back, and
No.
we're making our way back.
We're still exploring.
Well,
Yeah, very sad.
oh my god, there's Starbucks.
Greenpeace. Let's go Greenpeace. Stop pollution.
Guys, we all love Starbucks, but you cannot throw it into the nature. Okay, so this is the Google map. Sorry, babe. So this is where the boarding was, and we went like that. And here's the swimming point where we swam. And then we accidentally went too far. We were supposed to go in here, but we went here, and now we're going back because then we'll make our way like this, and then back. Guys, we still got a long way. We still got a long way to go. The sunset is guiding us back to the place. There's a couple of boats as well that keep passing by. Yeah, so quiet. Guys, we made it and we changed, gosh, that last. So we didn't make it until the sunset because we didn't know how far it actually was, and it was quite like, I can't believe we made it. And actually we arrived too late. We arrived at 6:40 and the guys were mad at us. They were like, did you get lost or something? We sent out a search party for you. Hi, thank you. What was I saying? Yeah, we arrived at 6:40 and then at that point already, like at 6, we were rushing to, because at 6 sunsets. So we were rushing to get it, and at that point we were like, wow, this is such an exercise to be kayaking. So eventually we made it, and we're hungry, so there's a Waitrose right next to it, so we're just getting something like a snack to eat, and then take the car ride home to Dubai, only an hour, and then celebrate the rest of my mom's birthday. Yeah, that's about it.